Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily create new note in your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open Notes, and here you will see on the right side you will see right button, so just click on it and it will open new note. So here you can also write wherever you want, for example hello. And also now you can just go back and it will save, or you can also click on done and it will save. Just click on done and it will successfully save your note. Now you just go to Notes, go back, and here you can see that it successfully saved our note. So also you can just write something, for example hello world. And here you can see that you can also just go back and it will successfully save it too. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.